Electronica is always a fantastic show. We have so many of our customers here, both existing customers that we know really, really well, as well as lots of new potential customers that come to see the demos on our stand.
It is definitely the networking meeting place, especially with this number of people. So it's not often that you can talk to a connector company, followed by a software EDA company, followed by a semiconductor chip company in space for a couple of days. I mean, it's great for that. And yes, there's lots of old friends that you've seen. Sometimes you only see them at Electronica every 2 years, but it's great. And then the volume of exhibitors and new businesses coming on. There's also new people to meet as well, which is great. I love exhibitions for that.
As I understand it, the largest electronics-focused industry show in the world today. So it's a great chance for us to connect with as many of our customers as possible, meet new partners, connect with old partners, and really it just is a real driver for our business.
Talking to people, exchanging information, exchanging experience is a key for understanding the markets and getting an understanding what's going on, where the trend is in the industry. So that's very important, especially the exchange with the competitors, with the customers. You won't get that anywhere else, I think.
As an engineer, people think of engineers as very technical, but there's also more of a creative side to an engineer. And that's the part of my job that I like, is the creative side of customers have problems and you need to find a creative way to solve that problem.
And anytime the market situation can be difficult, but you as a manager, you have to deal with it. You have to find the solutions to overcome it, to develop the products that are requested by the customers. So I think that's my feeling, that most of the people think that way. So it's challenging, but let's find the solutions to manage it.
This is such an exciting industry. Everyone is always trying to push the new features, and ultimately all of this is actually driven by end product manufacturers wanting to create new products with new capabilities, and that's really what we're working towards.
Yeah, it's really exciting. So we are creating technologies that at the end can change the life of people, and that's really super.
Companies are very interested and very concerned about new generations of engineers coming through, and they are doing a lot to address it, but it's a difficult problem. You need skills, you need degrees, you need training. You're not just going to walk in and do some of these skills. However, a lot of companies are introducing products that are simpler to use, maybe intuitive to use for selection and integration. There's also a careers forum at this year's show, again trying to encourage people to sign up. But there's been a lot of work outside of this event of trying to attract and retain people. That's the problem. You can get a lot of people training for engineers and being qualified, but they don't stay in the industry. And trying to get to the nub of that and trying to understand it and trying to solve it, that's the real issue.
I think it's really important that we encourage more young people into the industry. And I think ultimately it starts at school through programs such as the Microvit program, which Nordic has supported, and then all the way through university and into industry in the early years, to not only get people interested in the industry, but also to join it and remain in it. And I think we all have a part to play to make it an exciting industry to work in.